Welcome back, and today we have this beautiful Mark 7.5 Golf GTI in for a detachable tow bar with dedicated wiring. Mike starts off with removing the bumper. He removes the wheel arch screws as well as the screws underneath. Then after he does that, he removes the tail lights, and then the bumper is ready to come off. I had to put down the camera for a second just to help Mike remove the bumper, but now he's ready to remove the old crash bar and install the tow bar. Torquing the bolts is essential to ensuring the safety of the tow bar, but once the bar is installed, the hooking device is tapped in and tightened up. Installing the holder for the electrics that swivels up is easy, as it just goes under the bolts for the hook holder. After that, Mike got all the wiring in, so we can double check that with our test board. Then he can get it coded up so all of the modules can see the tow bar. Most of it you won't even notice. If you have rear sensors, this will turn them off when the electrics are connected. Now that everything else is done, we double check everything and it can be taken out of the workshop, ready to be collected by another happy customer.